Welcome to Google I/O. Thank you for joining us.
السلام عليكم مباشر سيليكون فالي. معكم توجور معكم مراد. دونك بلا ما نقول لكم التوبيك تاع اليوم راكم عرفتوه. It's about the I/O conference تاع جوجل اللي دارت السمانه هذه في مونتين فيو. حيحكيو على النيو فيتشرز تاع جوجل في different products اللي عندهم. They are going to talk about new features تاع الايميل اللي هو الجيميل using machine learning ولا artificial intelligence features في الايميل. كيف the same thing for the Google image. حنحكيو كيف على جوجل اسيست الفيتشرز تاعهم جدد، وثاني الاندرويد بي ماشين ليرنينج كيت اللي هو نيو برودكت فروم جوجل فور ماشين ليرنينج فيتشرز، وثاني سيلف درايفنج كار مع جوجل. نقول لكم نخليكم مع 3 minutes تاع الايو 2018 تاع جوجل، ونقول لكم نوليو من بعد. علي سلام.
One of our core products, which we are redesigning with AI, is Gmail. We call it Smart Compose. So as the name suggests, we use machine learning to start suggesting phrases for you. So we are bringing a new feature called Suggested Actions. Say, for example, you went to a wedding and you're looking through those pictures. We understand your friend Lisa is in the picture, and we offer to share the 3 photos with Lisa, and with 1 click, those photos can be sent to her. If you have this cute picture of your kid, we can make it better. We can drop the background color, pop the color, and make the kid even cuter. I'm excited to announce our next generation TPU 3.0. These chips are so powerful that for the first time, we've had to introduce liquid cooling in our data centers. I want to ask Google to make you a haircut appointment on Tuesday between 10 and noon. What happens is the Google Assistant makes the call seamlessly in the background for you.
Hello, how can I help you? Hi, I'm calling to book a women's haircut for a client.
Android P. AI underpins the first of 3 themes in this release, which are intelligence, simplicity, and digital well-being. With Android P, we partnered with DeepMind to work on a new feature we call Adaptive Battery. It's designed to give you a more consistent battery experience. I'm really excited to announce ML Kit, a new set of APIs available through Firebase. With ML Kit, you get on-device APIs to text recognition, face detection, image labeling, and a lot more. And ML Kit also supports the ability to tap into Google's cloud-based ML technologies.
So now, instead of copying and pasting a bunch of links and sending text back and forth, decisions can be quick, easy, and fun.
What if the cameras can help us answer questions? Questions like, where am I going? Or what's that in front of me? Our teams have been working really hard to combine the power of the camera, the computer vision, with Street View and maps to reimagine walking navigation.
Today, Waymo is the only company in the world with a fleet of fully self-driving cars with no one in the driver's seat on public roads. Phoenix will be the first stop for Waymo's driverless transportation service, which is launching later this year. Soon, everyone will be able to call Waymo using our app, and a fully self-driving car will pull up with no one in the driver's seat to whisk them away to their destination.
Voilà. جسبر بيان تكون عجبتكم الاوفر فيو اللي درتها على الايو 2018 تاع جوجل. الكونفرنس تاعهم ذا بيجست كونفرنس تاع جوجل، وين يمدوا الفيتشرز تاع ولا نيو برودكت ولا نيو فيتشرز في البرودكت تاعهم. نقول لكم يعطيكم الصحه على اللايكس، على الفيدباك والسجستشن اللي تمدوهم لنا، وقعدوا توجور اوفياء للشانل تاعنا. ديروا لنا لايك، ديروا كليكيو على البال باش يجيكم جديد تاع مباشر سيليكون فالي، وما تنساوش تابونيو في لاشين تاعنا مباشر سيليكون فالي. نقول لكم سلام.